So is that installing, Shiva?
Yeah, it's almost there. It says registering Java environment.
Okay.
Okay, it's done. Yeah.
Okay, done. So now can you just go to program files once? So I'll do one thing. Let me just okay. I think now you have to share your screen with me now. Can you just click on the share screen? I'll just stop
Oh,
sharing.
I'm on a different. I'm doing that on a different computer.
Okay, not a problem. So do one thing. I'll just show you here, so that yeah. I hope if you have downloaded that, go to my computer, right?
Okay.
And
Yeah.
see,
Okay.
and go to program files,
Okay.
and just check whether you have got Java folder.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you should be having something called JDK 1.7 right?
I have that.
Yeah, cool. So which means it has been installed. Now can you just copy this path?
DB.
No, I mean path. I mean C program files. Can you see here?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't have. Okay.
No issues.
Copy.
Yeah. Now
Alright.
just go to again. Go to properties of my computer here. It's like right click and properties.
Yeah.
Right. And in that, you can go for one sec. Yeah, in properties you can go for advanced settings here. Click on advanced settings,
Okay.
right? So
Yeah.
so in advanced settings, can you see these environmental variables in your PC?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
click on that,
Mhm.
right? And now we can see, so these are nothing but system variables. Let me explain this for some time, because this is very important, right? So
Okay.
system variables are something like when you are installing something, like it can be anything. It can be Adobe, like PDF or Flash Player or some other products, right? So with that installation, what it does is it will register. So that's what we say. We say something called registering into. We say that registry, right? Registering your product into your Windows registry, or registering your product into system variables, which is nothing but the path of your installation will be saved in something called system variables, right?
Okay.
And system variable basically contains something like this, like let me go to something like edit. It will have something called variable name and value, right? So what
Okay.
it does, whenever your some application is running, it will go and check the Windows variables, which these are the variables. It will go and check something called Windows variables, which is it will go and check with the name, and they'll get the path. Fine. So
okay.
in the
Yeah.
same way, we have to create something like, if you just search, if you select on one, click on J. So as I have JVM registered here, I can get Java_home. Can you just check whether it is there or not with you?
No, it's not here.
Yeah, if it is not there, that's fine. So just go
So
and click on new.
New. Okay.
New, right? So here what we have to do, we have to type something called Java_home. All should be in caps,
Okay.
right? So this is a key for running our Java program. So whenever we run our Java program, right, what it does is, so we said JVM, right? JVM will have compiler, right? So all the JVM and the compiler will be exposed outside using this variable,
Okay.
right? And just paste your you have copied that
Path.
path.
Okay.
Yeah, just paste that and just say okay.
Okay. Yeah. And I can see that in the list.
Okay, fine. Now you can see. Now again, go back to the folder again, and anyways, to the same path you have to add something called bin.
Okay.
So
I went.
what I mean is, yeah,
Okay.
you have to copy this till here, right? Now what we are doing is, can you see here? Let me just sort it out. Yeah, can you see the Java here? Java application and Java W, right? These are the two guys. Whenever you run something in Java, these are the two guys which will actually expose your JVM outside, right? So this is what so you will have so many libraries. Actually you will have got so many applications and libraries, but Java is the one which is the main exe, right? So just copy this. So main exe should be exposed in one of the system variables called path, Now I hope you will be having this something called path. That this will be configured for sure, because if you have installed so many other softwares, it will create a path for you.
Let me check on my computer.
Yeah,
Yeah, I see that.
you have that, right? Yeah, it will be having. So just do one thing. Click on edit. Yeah. So you will
Yeah.
see something called path and some variable,
Yeah.
right? So
Yes.
in variable value, just go to the end of that,
Oh,
right? And
yeah.
right, end of that, and
Yeah.
click and type in semicolon first, and add
Okay.
your path. With a semicolon, add your path.
Okay.
Fine. So each and
Yep.
every path here is nothing but a exe paths here in the system path. All the exe paths will be there, right? And it will be separated by semicolon. You can mention so any number of here, any number of
Oh.
paths here, right?
Here it should be the bin, right? It should be the bin.
Perfect. It should be the bin. Yeah.
Okay, maybe I didn't get the
You
bin.
just type in a slash bin.
Slash bin.
You
Okay.
can see here, right?
Yeah.
A slash bin.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just type in this part so that it will be same, right?
Yeah.
Fine.
Oh, yeah. Click OK.
Yeah, I'm getting one more call.
Okay.
I think it is not for me. Divyansh Patel.
Do you guys have like only one ID for all the?
I don't know. Actually, he asked me to use his ID. I'm gonna use my ID soon for you, so that it will be.
Because I was speaking to this person,
Mhm.
like he said, why are you disturbing? I was like, excuse me, I'm here for a class, right?
Oh, is
I don't
that?
know.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
So that's why if you have Teamviewer, this won't happen. So that when we actually come to class, right? I'll let me.
It won't take me a while. We have like a really fast download. I'm just gonna do
No.
Teamviewer 8. Is that
Yeah.
what?
Yeah, you can just do. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't
give
know.
me. It takes me like 2 minutes, not more than that.
No issues. No
The
issues at
download.
all. Let me just talk to them, because it won't be good
Yeah.
if I
Yeah.
if
Yeah.
I
You can
cancel
go
this
ahead.
call. He'll be some student, right?
Mhm.
శివ వెంకట్ ఇది ఎవరు ఇంకొకరు కాల్ చేస్తున్నారు ఇక్కడ. ఎవరు దివ్యాంష్ పటేల్ అని కాల్ చేస్తున్నారు. అంటే అది కట్ చేయాలా అదే అది ఎలా అంటే కట్ చేయాలా లేకుంటే ఎట్లా? పర్లేదా? అందుకే ఇట్లా డిఫరెంట్ ఐడి యూజ్ చేసి ఇదే బాధ ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఎవరో ఐడి యూజ్ చేసి తనతో మాట్లాడుతుంటే తన కాల్ వస్తే అతను కూడా చెప్తున్నారు యాక్చువల్గా ఇలా డోంట్ డిస్టర్బ్ మీ అని అన్నారంట. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఏ ఐడి యూజ్ చేసినా పర్లేదు యాక్చువల్గా వెంకట్, ఎందుకంటే నేను యాడ్ చేస్తాను, కానీ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ నేను ఏం చేస్తాను అంటే మీ దగ్గర నుంచి నేను చెప్పిస్తాను. ఓకే, మీకు ఆ ప్రాబ్లం రాదులేండి, ఎందుకంటే నేను అలా మీ దగ్గరే వస్తూ ఉంటాను కదా, మీకు ఆ ప్రాబ్లం రాదులేండి. ఏం లేదు, జస్ట్ చెప్దామని. ఓకే సరే, ఓకే ఫైన్ వెంకట్. Yeah, Shiva.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah,
So almost.
sorry. Yeah, I just informed Naresh Venkat actually. So it's
Okay.
fine. It's fine with him. I can go ahead using my own Skype. I'll give you my Skype ID, right? So
Okay.
and also I'll give
Yep.
you Teamviewer, so that we'll be working exclusively. We'll not be getting these type of because there'll be students being calling, right? It will be very important for them to take the call.
But I don't know that how many people they are and now what they're doing, right? I thought it's just the access ID is only for you. Okay, I have downloaded. It's ready to go.
Okay.
So it says.
Okay, let me do one thing. Sure. What's your ID here? Let me just send you.
My ID is 593.
59. No, not that. Skype ID. Let me add you in my.
Oh, Skype ID.
Yeah. So that I'll just skip this out and I'll add you in my.
You're gonna. Okay. Okay. Because I don't.
Okay, no problem.
Okay,
let me.
No,
Just,
that's okay. I got it.
Yeah.
Don't worry. Shiva Shintak. Yeah. There you go. That's my
Okay,
Skype.
fine. Okay, fine. So let me add this up, right? And
Yeah. Yeah.
so I'll just disconnect the call.
Hello.
Yeah, hi Shiva.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, now we are in now. Yeah, can you just give me your TeamViewer ID now?
Yeah.
Yeah,
593-775-886.
one second. 593-775-886, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so connection. Yeah, so there will be a random password being generated for you, right? So can you give me that password? Like,
Yeah.
yeah,
5798.
5798.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's it.
That's it.
Okay, cool.
Got it.
Yeah. So now, yeah, I can see your. I can see your.
Okay. So I think that the Java is on other computer. So if you just give me a moment,
Okay, no problem. Okay,
Yeah.
no problem.
all
Sure.
it will be done. It's
Sure.
like really fast.
Okay, if it is in other, then I
No.
think I can just talk to you offline itself, right? I mean, you don't have to share here. Or is it fine if we run your program in this PC or how it is?
Yeah. It's okay. Don't worry about them. Just
Yeah, fine.
just saving the file.
No
Not
issue.
to you can see that, right?
Fine, sure. So now, we can do one thing, Shiva.
Yeah.
So can you go to TeamViewer here? You got the window here, right? Side window.
Yeah.
So here, we'll talk through TeamViewer now, so that there won't be echo. So just click on this voice over IP. Yeah, and unmute your microphone here. Right, so that we can just drop the call here. And let me go back and say unmute. So now, can you hear me, Shiva? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah, I can.
So
Perfect.
even using here, it will be more clear now. Yeah. Cool.
There's a break. It's breaking.
Yeah. Okay. All has happened.
Okay, that is done.
Yeah.
Just gonna run it quickly.
Fine.
What time do you start your work?
I go for work at 9 o'clock actually. 9 a.m. IST.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. It's already 7, I guess, right?
Yeah. So I hope we'll be having a class from 6 to 7 IST, right? So is that correct? So anyways, this will be
I don't know.
yeah. So we'll just fix up with time, not a problem.
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
Yeah.
But no class on Friday, I guess.
Sorry?
No, we're like there. I guess it would be better if we don't go for a class on Fridays.
No issues. That's fine. Not a problem.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just Fridays.
yeah,
Friday.
it's all our call actually. We can take, not a problem. Like
Friday is my big day,
only
for the
Fridays
week
or
because
during the weekends?
well, weekends you can go on Saturday if you want, but it's up to you. But we can do for the next couple of weeks.
Uh-huh.
No Mondays for just for next 2 weeks. Okay,
Definitely not a problem. So you want
just
class to skip on Friday and Monday for some weeks, right?
Friday. Yeah, for 2 weeks.
Not a problem. Not a
For
problem.
2 weeks it's just Monday, and
Sure.
then we will go ahead. But
Sure.
no Fridays. Fridays just like a Sunday for me.
Ah, okay,
I
okay,
go.
fine. Okay, fine. Sure,
It's
sure.
like I have to go partying all night.
No issues. Yeah, take your time. No, no. Yeah. So it is installing now. No issues. So you
Yeah,
have opted for the complete Java or core Java for job search?
I know nothing about Java actually. I don't work in the programming field. I work something like
Okay,
I work in the POS field.
okay.
It's like
Like
POS.
okay, fine, not a problem. So Java
Yeah.
core will be
I know nothing about Java. Okay?
okay.
So it's like
No,
all new for me.
no
I'm
issues. Yeah.
interested in programming. I
Yeah.
want to develop some um, some programs for our POS. You know
Uh-huh.
everything, and also
Ah, okay, okay. So you'll be working for the same company, but you just want to move into some IT field in there, right? Okay.
actually not my company. I'm gonna go first work as a Java developer, and then I'll do something else.
Yeah,
I don't
fine.
know what I'm gonna do,
No
but I
issues.
want to be a programmer, right?
Okay,
So
fine, fine. All the best
then I
for
can
that.
see whatever. Yeah. Okay. And then I'll have to see what I'm gonna do.
That's fine. You can just leave
All
this
right,
page. This is some registered page. You can just leave. Close this window. Close this page. Yeah.
this one, right?
So now, yeah,
Is
you
that
can
in?
go back to Java again. So we have to set up that, right?
Oh, okay. Computer C.
Program files. Java. Now you can copy this part.
This one, right?
Yeah, you can.
Top.
I mean, yeah. Copy this part. I mean, you have to click. Yeah, here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, environment variables. Yeah, click on OK. Super. So again, click on path. Yeah, again. Yeah. Yeah, you can type in there. Shiva. Hello. Shiva, can you hear me? Hello.
Hello?
Yeah.
Wait.
Sure. Yeah. May I know?
Hello?
Hello.
Oh, are you there?
Yeah. Hi. Can you hear me now?
Yep.
Yeah. Fine. Just a
So
small.
I set up that thing.
Okay.
Okay. And that's
Yeah.
done. And what's next?
Okay. Your bin is done.
Yep.
Okay. Fine. So now we'll just try to write a small program and see how to execute it. Right. So now here
Mm-hmm.
actually I'll do one thing. I'll write that
I
program.
can't see your screen.
I'm sorry.
I can't see your screen.
Yeah, I mean, I'll have to share my screen now. I'll share you my screen now.
Okay.
So
Okay.
before that, actually, just one more thing. You can download one more thing, which is Eclipse, because we'll be using Eclipse in our programming. I'll tell you what is Eclipse once we actually write down this program and move on to next class, right?
Okay.
Yeah, just go to Google again. Just I'll show you.
You wanna take access?
No, no, no. You can just open that. Just go to
Okay.
Google. Yeah, and
Cool.
yeah, yeah. Just type in
Are you able
Eclipse.
to see my screen?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, Eclipse. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
No
Yeah. All
issues. No
right.
issues. Yeah, Eclipse. You can just say. Yeah, go to the first link. That's fine. So here, go to downloads. I mean, in the menu option you have at the top. Yeah.
Yeah, we got you.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, now
And what are?
yeah, actually I'll just let me give you a small intro for this, right? So what happens is, see,
Okay.
for writing program, actually first we'll be checking out a writing program using a basic notepad. I'll show you how to write a program actually, right? Because there
Okay.
are few steps
Mm-hmm.
which actually we have to follow to run a basic program. Fine. So
All right.
I'll be showing you how to run that, but actually we have so many IDEs. So IDE, here you can see here, IDE is nothing but integrated development environment, right? So which is nothing
Okay.
but, it will support you for coding. Like you can write your programs
Okay.
actually in a very beautiful environment here. So you can write, it will support much of programming for you. I'll show you how actually what is the actual difference between this and if we go and code on
Mm.
notepad or something, right? So
Notepad.
yeah, so
Okay.
first today I'll be showing you how to actually how to actually write a program, how to run a program, how to execute a program, the basic one. And
Okay.
tomorrow we'll see
Okay.
some more programs, right? And then I want to start the actual class of Java, because as you are very new to Java, I don't want to actually start something surprising you, right? So first two classes,
Yeah.
let us just learn something how to basically run and what exactly, just get a feel of Java first, right? And then we'll
Okay.
actually
Yeah.
start the concepts of Java, where you'll learn something, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So for that, just try to download this first one, which I hope it's a
Yep.
64, right? Just click on 64 bit.
Yep.
I've clicked anyways. Yeah,
Okay.
click on
Go
the
ahead.
first mirror, this one, and it will give you. Yeah, you can just save this up somewhere.
Yep. Okay.
Fine. Okay, fine. So let it take some time. Even if your internet is fast, it will be slower because Eclipse server is slow actually,
Oh,
right?
okay.
Eclipse there, the provider
Okay.
is slow. Anyways, not a problem. Yeah. So let me just
All right. No
give you
problem.
my ID and password. Like you can access my. Hello. Hi,
Okay,
Shiva.
can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay, sure. So let us write basic program now, right? Let me open a notepad, or you can also write. I have something called notepad plus plus. It is again acts as a notepad, right? But it supports some languages. But just to make sure, let me just open my notepad, right? I've just opened my notepad.
Okay.
So so basically, so in Java, each and everything, so we have learned something in intro, like each and everything whatever you write is nothing but an object in Java, right? So and each
Okay.
and
Object.
every, yeah, object, like it's complete like object, right? Object in Java.
Mm-hmm.
Fine. So here whatever you write, so whatever program you write, everything should be you have to start writing program with a class. Your class is nothing but something like you'll be learning actually what is a class and what is an object first, right? So let me write a simple program first, so that we'll run it on Java, and you can just see, right? So for running a program, right, we need something called, first one, you have to write a program, right? Write a program,
Mm-hmm.
right? I'll just give you some steps, right? And second one is
Okay.
you have to save that program, right, uh,
Okay.
using the same name as class, and save it with .java extension. I'll be showing all these things to you anyways, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so .java extension, and then what you have to do is you have to compile this Java program, right? I'll be
Okay.
compiling this
Yeah.
Java program, and then you have to do something called execute. So these are
Yep.
the, so for each and every program in Java, for or I can say every program in Java, right? You have to follow all these steps. Anything. So these are the 4 steps which you have to do throughout program. It can be advanced, it can be normal Java, it can be anything, but we do follow only these steps. Fine. So let me show you these
Okay.
steps how we follow, right? First is writing a program. Now I'll be writing a small program for you, Shiva, but don't worry about each and every term. I'll be explaining each and every term to you in upcoming classes, right? So now today I just
Okay.
wanted to show you how our Java framework which we have set up will work, right? Now for writing
Yep.
a program, I said you have to write something called class. Inside class you have to write all your programs. What is a class and what is each thing here, I'll explain you, right? Now let me write a class which is public class. Let me take something called my first is my class name, and let me, so all this is your class. Your class contains, class is something which is understandable by your JVM, and this is your name you gave, and public is some public is access modifier. I'll be explaining this, right? And you have to write something called public static void main. Don't worry, I'll be explaining each and every term to you. String some a,
Okay.
right? I am just writing a program to run it on Java, so that you can have a feel of how JDK works, right? And let me just say
Yep.
system dot out dot println. So here I want to print something. Let me give some starts here and say like hello world, right? Just some hello world and some starts here. So this is a simple program which we can write in Java. Fine. A very basic
Yep.
program I've written, like public class something, right? And these are nothing but your methods, and we have something called variables. So each and every part of Java program I'll be explaining to you, and I'll be making you write some program, so that once you are okay with writing a small program in Java, then we'll actually start with concepts in Java. Fine.
Okay.
So now let me, so that was the first thing which we have done, which is writing a program, right? So these are writing a program, and then we said save the program using the same name as class. So my class name is here my first, right? So this is
Yep.
my class name, and I said save the program using the class name and save it with .java extension. So let me save this up. Save. Right. So let me save something under some D, right? And let me take something like develop, right? So let me give the program name. See here, you have to give something called same name, right? Which is nothing but your class name and .java, fine.
Okay.
So you have to
Yep.
give this name. So let me save this up, save, and let us go to that folder there. D some develop, right? Can you see here?
Yep.
My first is
Yes.
a file, and can you see the type? Type is nothing but Java file, right?
Yeah.
Excuse me. So which means it shows you as a Java file, because when you give an extension called .java, your Windows will understand that that is a file of type your Java. So that's why it gives something called Java. Can you see here? We have a pop-up again. You see it says
Yeah.
type as a Java file, which means now you have this file written. Next thing is you to compile. So how to compile? So now here we'll be using something called how actually to interact with JVM, right? For that,
Okay.
go to run, Windows run, right? Now here you have to go to command prompt. I hope you know how to go to command prompt, right? Just go
Yeah.
to run
Yeah.
and CMD, right? So here you have to type in something. These are the steps to actually write a code in Java, but don't worry. So all these things will be done by Eclipse. Whatever we are downloading, right? Internally it does everything
Yeah.
as it is, but you have to know how to actually compile a program. So that's why we are just taking it. Fine.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah.
so first and basic thing is you have to go to the actual directory where your file is. I mean actual path here. So here it shows something like
Okay.
C user some Sony name, laptop name here. So let me just go back, cd slash, it will go to the directory, but here my program is in D directory, right? Which means I have to go to D. Yeah, which means you just type in D and colon, it will take you to D directory, right? Now
Yeah.
I want to go to under D directory, I have to go to something called developed. So let me go to
Developed,
cd develop, right? Now I am in that path, which is D developed, fine. So under this I have something
You do
called,
my
yeah, under this folder I
My
have
first?
something called my first. Yeah, just do me something called dir. Dir is nothing but directory, so it will show me all the list of,
give you everything. Yeah.
yeah, I hope you know this, right? So here I have something called my first, which is nothing but a file, which is a Java file, right? Now, so as we said, our first task is to compile, right? Because
Yeah.
if you remember our first class, when you compile your .java code, you will be getting something called .class, right? .java code will be compiled and will get a .class, which is nothing but a byte code. So byte code will be understood by your system. So that's why you will be getting an output, right? So don't worry about those
Oh, yeah.
terms. I'll be explaining that. So here what we have to do, we have to go to the same path. Now you can see here you don't have any other .class file, right? You just have something called my first. Now let's go here,
My first.
compile. Yeah. So how to compile? You have to use a command called java c. When I say java c, it will go and hit the bin. We have given the bin path, right? In bin we have given something called we have copied our Java path JDK, and we have copied something till bin, right? So it will go to that bin and it will pick the exe, which is nothing but Java exe, in which there will be a JVM, right? When you are saving Java C, which means I want the compiler of Java, right? Java compiler,
Yeah.
space, let me, so space, you have to give your file name, which is my first.java, fine. So this is how you actually mention your this. Now let me enter it up. So can you see here, it is, I have only one file, so I just got some error here, right? It says system some, okay, doesn't matter. So you'll be getting this up. So this is the problem if you go and use notepad. So you'll be seeing how easy it is when we actually use. See, I just skipped something, right? I have to end this with double quotes, but it didn't work. So let me go here and run it again, because I have saved my file again, right? I just
Yeah.
go and save it up, and let me go back and save. Now can you see here?
Yep.
So when I compile my program, I got something called
You
dot
have a
class,
first class.
right?
Yeah.
It generated
Yeah.
us, it generated for us, right? So this is how we actually compile our program. And next thing is to execute, right? The last thing, we wrote
Yeah.
a program, we
Last
saved
one.
it, we compile it. Now we have to write, execute a program. Now let us see how to execute it, right? Now for executing, you have to use something called your class file, right? Even in this class file, you don't have to give the complete name, just say Java space, which means I want to use something called JVM, which is nothing but Java exe, and just give your class name. What is the class name? Class name is nothing but this. You remember this? My first. Just give that name, my first, and just say enter. Can you see here?
Yeah.
So whatever we wrote here, right, is my output, right? This is how we actually do. So in the same way, just give something like this. So what happens here is, so now let us say I want to change my program, right? I want to change my program. So if you are using your notepad, again you have to, what you have to do, you have to go save your file, right? When you save your file, but now can you, is it correct? Let me ask one question. Your this file, which is .java, is not same as your
Yeah.
.class, right? Because
Yeah. I got it.
perfect, because we have generated this class file for previous version of my first Java file,
Yeah.
which means you have to regenerate your class, right? Just can you
Yeah.
see here? My date modified of
I
class
can
is
see that.
7:08 a.m. but I have created my
8,
first
8,
in 7:09. Now let me go back and
9.
run this again, which is Java C my program. Now you can see my class is generated for the
Java.
latest one, right? And let
Yeah.
us go back and run something called Java space my first. Now can you see?
Yeah.
Right? So this is how we
Yeah.
actually write a program and run a program, right? So this is a basic, so this is a basic program which you write, and whatever we are writing, I mean in future whatever we'll be writing inside some class and inside some method. If you want to write a big product programs and all, you will be following the same pattern, right?
Yep.
But with some
Okay.
advanced topics which we'll be learning in upcoming classes, fine? So that's how we actually write a program and all. So till today, so we have just seen something like how to, I hope you have learned something like how to configure a basic how to configure Java in your system, first point, right? And second point is how to write a program, fine? So you can just write a program. This, if you want, I'll just ping you this. You can just try it out, right? Or you want to try it out in,
Copy and
like
paste
now?
it.
You want me to help out now? How to?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
I'll do one thing. Let me print this up for you. Right. I've pinged you. You can just check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I get the program here.
Yeah. So now you
You
can
copy.
copy that. So these
I'm
are,
gonna try it.
yeah. Don't worry about what is there in program, right?
Yeah, I'm just
So-
gonna just see how it works.
Exactly how Java works, how we are getting output, right? So tomorrow, if I'm talking about something like compile and execute, you should understand this, right? So that's why I'm just giving you a program. Okay, everything going fine?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just putting this thing out here.
Okay, we'll be learning step by step, because by the end of this, at least core Java, you should be able to write one big program, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I go CD space. Sorry, CD space.
See,
I
yeah.
put it on
Okay.
desktop.
Yeah, you can place it
So
in desktop. Yeah.
what?
Or you can do one thing. Just place it in direct into C. Copy that inside C so
Okay.
that you don't have to go into
See?
big path, right? Copy your file into
Okay.
C directory so that.
I'll just put it here.
Yeah. So can you just share me your screen so that I know I can make it up?
Okay.
Let me just connect to your screen now. Yeah, Shiva, you can unmute your mic here.
Okay.
Fine, sure.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, you got the output now.
I haven't started yet.
No problem, no problem. No. See, again. Yeah, there was a problem here. So here you have to save your program with the same name, right? You said example.java, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Good
yeah.
that you have saved it so that now you'll remember, right?
Yeah. So it's gonna be
Yeah, you can just say
my first.
yeah.
Alright, got that.
Yeah, you can do one thing. Copy this file directly into your C. I mean, if you copy it in desktop,
Yep.
you have to go a long way, right? You can close this
Oh, okay,
notepad.
alright.
You can close this notepad,
Yeah.
right? And cut this file and copy it into direct C. Yeah, I'll help you out anyways, don't worry. Yeah, you can just copy it here. Yeah, and after the class is done, you can just delete this so that you won't be having any junk. Yeah. So now go to command prompt now. Yeah. Now
Yep.
how to go to C now? Just type in CD, right?
Space C
No.
and something.
You don't have to because we are already in C, right? You don't need this. Just type in CD.
Oh, okay, sorry,
Yeah,
yeah.
just CD slash. Without space. Without space. Yeah.
Is it forward?
Yeah, forward. Yeah. Enter.
Enter?
Yeah, enter. Now see you are in here, right?
Oh.
Now click on dir so that you can see, right? You can see. So just can you just maximize this window once? Yeah. Can you see if yeah, you can see. Oh, okay. Can you see this?
Here.
It's not Java file actually, right? It is something like my first.java.txt file, right? That's why I just
okay.
now if can you go back to your C I mean yeah, can you see here the type of this file is text document, right? And it is not allowed, right?
Okay.
So now what we'll do, just open
Yeah.
this up again. Can you just open this? Yeah, and click on save
Save
as.
as.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go Java, right?
No issues. Just click on my first .java and just
Oh.
now save it up now. Can you just save it up?
Save, that's
Save,
it?
yeah, save, yeah. Okay, so it is continuously asking for that. Now we'll do one thing. Click on no here. We'll do one thing. Yeah, click on cancel here. Let me just, so let it be. Well, let us do one thing. Let us delete this. Yes, right. Now can you just,
Yeah.
okay, this anyways, this will be open anyways. Now can you just go back to notepad, one more notepad. Can you open your notepad
Yep.
once? Yeah, right. Now copy the same program. Yeah, copy that program here. Perfect. Now paste. Yeah, now
There you go.
save, yeah, save as, go to C, I mean the folder C.
Oh, okay.
No, not there, not here, here. I mean the C over here, right? You can
Okay.
just go,
Oh, I mean.
yeah. What I mean is that, we want to save this, yeah, inside C, yeah.
Okay.
And file name should be, go to file name now, yeah. Delete everything, delete that. Yeah, now type my first, same, my first .java. Yeah, small java. Yeah, save it up now.
And it's typed
That's
as
fine. That's fine. Not a problem.
text.txt.
That's fine. Not a problem. Yes. What did you say? Okay,
Yes,
you don't have permission for that. Okay, no problem. You just save it in desktop. Let us see how it goes. Save it in desktop. Not a problem.
Okay.
We'll save it in desktop.
You know, there are two of these here,
Okay,
so I'm gonna.
not a problem.
No, we're not able to do a simple.
Yeah. My first .java. No, are we? No, I hope we are not saving the right one. It seems, right? So you can close this window. Just say no. Close.
Just,
No,
let me
don't save.
just-
Yeah.
I'll do.
We should have one more notepad, right? Where is that?
Okay. There are no more no. Okay, there.
Okay,
No.
no problem. You just
No
copy.
more,
Okay,
to
just
do.
copy the program once again. Let's open the notepad. I think it is already copied. Just paste it up. Yeah, perfect.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
save this now. File, save as. Go to desktop now.
Desktop.
Yeah. Save here now. Just say my
My
first.
first.
Yeah. No, delete everything. We don't need this .txt, right? Yeah. My first .txt. No, sorry, .java. I'm sorry.
.java.
Yeah.
And desktop. Save it.
Yeah. Save it. Right. So now you got a file here. Can you see here file? Now
Yeah.
you can close this file now. You can close this window now. Now this is a file. Let's see where actually is your desktop, right? Which means, can you open this folder, some folder, like go to my computer now. Just open some folder.
Here.
Yeah, you can see an option desktop here, right? Desktop. Click on desktop here.
Yeah.
And what I mean is, let us say, can you just open any of the folder, whatever you want, or Shivu something is there, right? Just go to that folder,
Oh yeah. Okay.
because
yeah.
we want some. Yeah. Now can you just go to the path here? What is the path here? Oh, it's direct path. Desktop here. Okay. So do you have everything here? My first .java here. Yeah, you have my first .java here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So can I just copy this? Yeah. Now copy this path.
Okay.
Yeah. Now go back to command prompt. Yeah, perfect. Now
Yeah.
cd space. I mean, I don't know whether caps will work. Just type in small cd space. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right click there and paste. Right click over there.
Oh,
It won't work actually. Yeah. You have to right click, and using mouse you have to right click and yeah, paste. Yeah, enter. Perfect. You are in that. So now, actually, why I wanted you to copy it into some folder is you can see the class file being created. So can I just do one thing? Can I access your folder now? Let me create a new folder, right? And let me create as my programs, right? So here, what we'll do? You have my first.java here, right? This one, right? Let me cut this and
cut and paste it.
exactly, yeah, so that my program, so that we can see the difference, right? Now
I have
so now go here, type in something called cd space. We have to go to my programs folder, just type my and click on tab. Click on tab. No, tab in the sense, this you have a keyboard.
Oh, here?
No, on keyboard you have tab symbol, right? Above the caps.
Oh, the tab. Oh,
yeah,
okay.
tab, yeah.
Okay. So
yeah, can you see that? So whatever options are there, it will give you the all options when you click tab, right? So that means whatever directories are there here it will give you everything. Fine, you just enter now.
Okay.
Yeah, click on dir now again, so that we can see. So now it's more clear, right? You have something called my first.java, right? Now the next step is we have to compile this, right? So now for compiling, type in java c and space. No. Okay. It gave that, no, but you have to type in java c space, right? You have to type something called your file name, right? My first, just type in my and tab, it will give you the file anyways. Just type in.
Okay,
that's fine.
And then tab.
Yeah, no, you can
type
just
start testing.
Yeah, click enter now. Perfect. Now can you see here? You got a my first class in your folder there.
Yeah.
Right.
But
so
I don't.
Now you have compiled it. Now let's execute that. Which is just type in java. Right, just type in java space, just give the class name my first, first, that's it. Yeah, enter. Perfect.
Okay, yeah, right. I can see that.
Yeah, so these are how we actually run each and every program, which means if you are getting this output means your Java runtime is being the setup is successful, right? Sometimes it won't, we have to struggle for this, right? Okay. So that will be all for today, Shiva. I hope you have learned something like how to set up an environment and how to run a basic program, right? And tomorrow we'll do one thing, we'll write some more programs using, I'll show you the difference between this notepad writing and using Eclipse, right? You just copy this Eclipse. I hope your Eclipse is done. Download is done, your Eclipse download. Just do one thing. Just do one thing. What I want is in C, I think you have only one directory, right? Copy this, create a new folder in C, like just say Java class or something. Inside that, copy this setup, so that whatever programs you are writing, it will be helpful for you in long run, right? So here itself you can just create something called Java class or any.
Okay.
Right, you can copy that setup here. Cut and.
Whatever I'm downloading, I just put it there.
Yeah, no issues. You can just cut it up and paste it here. Yeah, so that because it will be clean. That's what. Okay, no issues. Just extract this one, and I hope even there is a power cut now for India, so the power will go on now, right? So fine, I think let's wind up here, and we'll take up this tomorrow, right, Shiva? So we'll meet at the same time as of now, and we'll see later how it can be done, right? And tomorrow I'll explain you.
8:30 Eastern Standard Time.
Yeah, EST 8:30. Yeah. Fine.
Okay.
And
so
we'll
you're ready
see
for
how
the power outage.
Yeah, fine. So tomorrow, first starting, I'll explain you what is Eclipse and how actually we can run that. You can just try out something. You can just play around with this program. You can just type in
Yep.
something and all, right? And okay,
Yep.
fine. Let me see you tomorrow at the same time, 8:30 EST. Okay, and we'll
All
run
right.
some more things. Fine.
Sure.
Okay, Shiva. Then
All
I'll
right.
see you tomorrow. Then
Take.
bye. Have a nice day. Bye. Good night.
Bye. Night. Not great.
ಏನು ಬಂಡು ಏನು ಬಂಡು జస్ట్ చెప్తున్నా అది సింపుల్ కాదు చెత్తగా ఉంటుంది ఆహా చూడు కరెంటు నాన్న చెప్పింది కాబట్టి సరిపోయింది అమ్మా లేకుంటే బాగుంది ఇంక లేవా అని
ఇంకా అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి కానీ భారీ భారీగా భారీ భారీగా ఉన్నాయి